Dealing with plumbing issues at the worst possible time? Leaks, clogged drains, or water heater problems can quickly disrupt your home or business. At Salinas and R Plumbing, Inc., we bring 20 years of experience serving Salinas, California with reliable, professional plumbing solutions. Our team is ready to handle both residential and commercial needs with efficiency and care. Our services include 24-hour services, full-service plumbing, drain and leak specialists, sewer video inspections, water heater installation. Don't wait until small issues become big problems. Visit salinasandrplumbinginc.com or call 831-595-0518 or 831-776-8236 today. Salinas and R Plumbing, Inc. Trusted plumbing done right.